everyone, welcome to today's Speaky Card reading. Today's topic is how are you being seen through the eyes of men? For that, as usual, you have three piles. Pile number one, pile number two, and pile number three. Guys, if you like my content, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment. Now let's get started. Hello, pile one. Let's see how are you being seen through the eyes of guys, how guys see you, through the eyes of men, literally. All right, a lot of you could be blonde or lighter hair, angular face. You have a very radiant energy about you, very radiant, very otherworldly, ethereal energy about you. That's how you're being viewed. Very cute, feminine, a lot of mermaid vibes, yet confident, a go-getter, happy-go-lucky, a lot of Pisces, Aries, Leo, very easily approachable, a very bright, shining smile. Your eyes and hair, both like either blonde hair, blue or green eyes, or black hair or darker hair, darker eyes, both are possible, I'm hearing. All right. A lot of you are being seen as very spiritual, high vibrational, extremely warm, very ethical. You know, the way in which you hug people, you give, like, you instantly can make a lot of people feel at home. Very compassionate, empathetic. I'm seeing also men do view you as a person who has been used by others, your goodness, so that is a shadow side. Presence is very uplifting. You're universally, you are loved by all. You have a lot of innocence about you, very non-judgmental. You're very non-judgmental. You're very happy with what life has to offer to you. You do not complain much. You do not believe in complaining much, rather. Great communicator. A lot of you could be Geminis. You know, you have a very happy, radiant, abundant energy, very mesmerizing, very soft features. A lot of you love to dress up. I'm seeing very, in a way, if you're a female, very feminine way of dressing up for a lot of you. Very charming with words, very sweet, soft, vulnerable, gorgeous man. Yeah, very like, you know, a lot of men, they literally are putting you up on a pedestal, looking at you through those rose tinted glasses. A lot of you give off the siren mermaid vibes. Very rich, cultured, old money. You know, we hear old money. A lot of you guys give off the old money vibes, like maybe just a pair of gold hoops and a thin chain with a small solitaire, and that's it. And you're very popular. You do not show off, but you give off the vibes of a graceful old money person who does not need to show off their money, who you do not feel the need to show off your money. Aquarius can be significant. You are very happy, very gregarious, very confident, curious, a social butterfly. A lot of you could be social butterflies. Very flamboyant personality, dreamy looks. You know, you look at the world through rose tinted glasses. You know, you also have a very rosy looks, through which you look at the world, rosy way. Very creative. You're also very self reliant. You tend to romanticize life. You know, you have a very a lot of you have a very unconventional way of living lives. So I'm seeing a lot of people, they just love you for who you are. You're very authentic. You are very much a person who would quietly assert themselves. You are not somebody who would be in their face, but very quietly classy, very old school fashion, very graceful. You're graceful, you're very dignified. These are the ways in which you look through the eyes of guys. Men, there is growth in stillness. You are very quiet, very, there is something called, simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. You stand for that. You are a person who is a glaring example of that, like being a very simple yet a very graceful person. I hope it's visible now, guys. I seek out mystery in the ordinary. A lot of you are being seen as somebody who is a little extraordinary in the ordinary realm of things. Men see you as such. I practice gratitude for all I have and all that is yet to come. Literally, you have that attitude of gratitude. You have a very grounded way of living your life, and that is something men notice about you. I am safe and surrounded by love and support. Literally, I'm seeing you are being loved and supported by one and all. I strive for joy and not for perfection. Yeah, you are a person, you are a joy to be around. You are have a very happy, accepting, warm vibes. At the same time, people really love who you are. Keep going on and on. You are a person who is also known for their infectious energy. It's cool to be kind. It's choice to be an unkind person. Also, being kind is also a choice, and you choose to be a kind and charming and genuine person. Love yourself. You are a person who genuinely loves their own selves. It's all gonna be okay. You are somebody who is very, you are extremely okay and all right with your own situation, with your own positions in life currently. Happiness is an inside job. You are a person who genuinely believes that it's my business being happy. No one else can make me happy or sad. You are a person who is very internally, you are self reliant and self dependent. You do not depend on others to be happy. You do not need others to be happy. Start your morning with a smile. You are a person who genuinely loves to enjoy. You enjoy your life to the fullest. You enjoy every moment of your life. That's how I'm seeing, like, men see you as that. Like, you enjoy the diversity amongst people. That's why you have no problem accepting people. You do not have any ethnocentric, like, I am greater than them and vice versa. We are like a snowflake, all different in our beautiful way. Exactly. You accept people in their most divergent self manner. Just be yourself. You are a person who is just themselves. You are somebody who is happy being themselves. Normal is boring. A lot of you guys are being seen as a little eccentric, a little off centric, a little unpredictable, because you genuinely believe in being that way. You grow through what you go through. Literally, you guys have gone through a lot in life. You guys, it's your life's lessons that has taught you to be more and more uh, generous with others, because you just do not know, generous and kind and nice with others, because you just do not know what the other person must have been through. Sunsets are proof that endings can be beautiful too. Absolutely. You are a person who is like, that the endings can be beautiful too. The water shines only by the sun, and it is you who are my sun. Literally, I am seeing you are a person who is being seen by men as like that shining sun, that person that they want to be with, that they like, they care about. It could also be platonic, by the way. Thank you for always being my rainbow after the song. You are a genuine person who stood by them, and men see you as such, like the rainbow. Like, they look forward to you, to your presence after a day's hard work. Everything happens for a reason. You're being seen as somebody who genuinely believes that I am at a place where I was supposed to be at, and not why me and all crying, cribbing, complaining. Dare to be different. You are markedly different from your surrounding. Do what makes you happy. Literally, you are a person who has a very happy disposition about them. All right. So the uh, Pisces, first astro dice, second is Virgo. A lot of you could also be Cancer. So I'm getting a lot of feminine, a lot of, water kind of vibes, very watery, very adaptable, very feminine. that kind of vibes. That's how you're being seen also through the eyes. You could also embody this um these characteristics. Unicorn, men see you as an unicorn. Use your intuition for beneficial things. You're also very intuitive. You're very patient. Someone who is a, unicorn is a rare species. You are being seen by men as someone who is rare, who is very difficult. Your type of a person is very difficult to come by. That's how men view you. That's how you're being seen. Chain of events that will affect you. You have been, I'm saying your life hasn't been easy, especially the early life. You had to work very hard. A lot of you started working like 2 3 jobs as a student in and helped out your parents. You saved up your own money to buy your own. A lot of you probably got your first car or house pretty fast because you're very good money wise, because your life taught you to be so eagle. Triumph over troubles and obstacles. Literally, you guys won over a lot of triumphs, a lot of obstacles, and that is something that made you more wise. Initial life I'm getting, or any venture, any project you start, initially you tend to face a lot of obstacle, but then you have been fortunate in life. Men see you as somebody who had to literally surpass a lot of obstacle into in order to reach where they have today. A lot of you could be a person having darker or warmer skin tone, some ethnic differences. A lot of you probably ethnically stand out. Maybe you're from the Latina or the Southeast Asian origin. Gorgeous hair. I'm hearing gorgeous hair. Now, the moon card, taking time for deep self reflection is essential. You are somebody, you know what, you are somebody who is very deeply self reflective. That's how men view you. Someone who tend to question themselves. You just do not put others through those questions, you put yourself through those questionings. Put yourself out there and you will be rewarded one way or the other. First of all, a lot of you are very introverted. A hermit card is not here, but introspective, self reflective, introverted, intuitive, intelligent. Some of you probably, you know, running a faceless YouTube channel like me, a faceless Insta profile, a faceless blog. A lot of you are putting yourself out there, and slowly but surely, more it gains momentum, more confident you gain. That kind of a, you're like, a lot of you could be having selling your own stuff through your Shopify stores. Ace of Wands, don't you see how your passion makes you glow? Literally, you guys, a lot of you have managed to quietly turn your passion into profession through your sheer hard work, patience, and determination. You are one of those people who doesn't give up easily, but you do not flaunt that as well. You're a very like silent worker bee. Ten of Wands, why make things so much more difficult than they need to be? Literally, you are a person who used to overthink things a lot. Earlier, you used to make things like, you would probably sell yourself. You have a habit of probably selling your own self a little shorter than normal. You used to make your things a lot difficult earlier. Through you suffered from imposter syndrome, and men view you as somebody who is like, I wish they realized how good they are at what they do. Are your actions really as selfless as you think? You tend to question yourself a lot of self doubt, self questioning, imposter syndrome, that is there. And men see that I wish they really, a lot of their good well wishers, they wish you could see how good you are at what you do. That's what I'm hearing. Knight of Swords, be ambitious, chase your every dream. Literally, you are being seen by men as somebody who is very ambitious, who chases their dreams, who is very good at chasing their dreams and turning them to reality. The entrepreneur, being the authority of your own life, comes with a lot of responsibility. Literally, you are a person who is also, you had to take your own responsibility pretty fast. You had to, Emperor, you are a very wise soul. You had to grow up pretty fast. In your 30s, you probably speak like a 60-year-old, because you have been taking care of yourself from the time you are 15, 16. You have been providing for your own self. So That kind, I'm just giving an example. You have to grow up pretty fast. You always didn't have that hand holding happening with you. Yeah, literally, just because you are passionate about it doesn't mean it will be effortless. Exactly, you had to put in a lot of effort. You are very quietly, people today see your success. A lot of you have grown up in a situation where you're probably borderline bullied. People around you, more glamorous people, so called glamorous people, they thought they would achieve everything and you will be a loser. But you quietly accumulated your wealth and your growth happened. And now you're doing probably better than most of your cousins and your friends. And people are like, oh my God, how come this person do so well? But people, some of them actually realize that this person has put in a lot of effort. Having it all looks different for everybody. A lot of you are probably, you could be having a lot of cats. You could be an animal lover who does a lot for animals and nature in general. People who are in need, those who can't corroborate, those who can't voice their needs, you tend to stand up. A lot of you could be animal right activists or environmental activism. That can be a thing, and that is gaining a lot of traction. A lot of you probably used to talk about it early, but now things are getting more traction. Try not to be so picky. Yeah, you are non-judgmental. You do not judge people, because I'm saying you have been through a phase where you have been judged left, right, center. Very introspective. Introspection, you tend to self-reflect and introspect a lot. Very mature individual. Trust in the invisible. Literally, you know what, you have a lot of faith in the almighty, in the invisible power, someone that is there up there who is taking care of you and your needs. That's something that can be seen. The skunk and magnolia protection, you guys are deeply protected. You guys are deeply provided for and protected. That's what I'm hearing. You are being like, men view you as an individual who is very, divinely guided, divinely protected, divinely shown the way. Yeah, you are also being seen as a very pure person, very untainted persona, someone who is pure, kind, generous, giving. Those are the adjectives men can think of moment you come to their mind. They also think you have gotten lucky in life. Though I'm seeing a lot of them, not everybody probably, do not realize is this luck came after you put in a lot of hard work, sweat, tear, blood, literally into it. In order to reach that position, you had to literally put in a lot of effort. The wolf and rosy guardianship, you are like a lot of you could be a guardian figure. You could be like a guardian, a lighthouse, a guiding light for a lot of them. I'm seeing a lot of juniors tend to look up to you, like a father figure, paternal or a maternal figure. People coming to you for life lessons, you being a teacher, someone who is very knowledgeable and imparting their knowledge with others. That kind of a scenario, you're being seen as such as well. A lot of you could be healers, could be into reiki, tarot, crystal, also a doctor, a naturopath, a nurse, a pharmacist, a dentist, like a doctor only, some form or the other, a doctor of some form or the other. I can see intend and create. I can see like if men view you as a person who has very strong intention, someone who can manifest every wish of theirs. You can literally manifest anything and everything. Shapeshifter, okay, you have transformed and unveiled your gifts. A lot of you have become a fantastic manifester. You have shifted your shape, you have changed yourself in order to be this form that you are in today. Be in this form, you had to change yourself, and you guys did that. What a wild way we weave, dear child, a delicious mystery untamed. Literally, you're being seen as someone who shroud themselves, wrap themselves in a wrapper of mystery. You are being seen by men as a mysterious person, someone who believed in the impossible. Men literally believe that this person has come this far in life because they believe that they could, and that's why they are doing it. That's something that's very, very special about you. Luck is on your side. A lot of you I'm seeing, like Virgo, Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces, Sagittarius, you have been lucky. You have survived a lot of things that most people can't think of surviving. That is another thing I can see. All right, guys, I hope you got some clarity about your situation. If yes, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment. Thank you. Namaste. Hello, hello, pile 2. Let's see how are you being seen through the eyes of men. Guys, let's see. Okay. Capricorn, a lot of you could be Capricorn straight away, very workaholics, very serious people. Okay. Forthright, good speaker, can be like a blonde or a lighter hair, lighter skin person. From your surroundings, your skin color could be a little paler, or some of you could be having a pale skin, dark hair, or curly hair, blonde curly hair kind of combo. Or you could like color your hair in different manner. Fashionista, very very formal, executive kind, very polished, posh, like boss babe kind of fashion, by the way. Very fiery, feisty, very passionate and compassionate about life, about your work in general. You have faith in your own dreams, very bold in communication, climbing the corporate ladder type, exactly. Very competitive, very creative, popular, having a strong head over your shoulders, very, very sorted. Someone who knows what their worth is in the public sphere. A lot of you could be entrepreneurs, like your own boss, a little mischievous. A lot of you are known for your dark humor, dark wit. A lot of you are witty but have dark wit. Right. Gemini or Aquarius or Capricorn, Leo, Gemini, Aquarius. Guys, one sec. I'm seeing. I think. Yeah. Right. Frivolous, a lot of you, you know what, you have one part of you which is very very serious, all about work. I'm seeing another part, once you tend to warm up to people, you can be very goofy and frivolous and easy to get along with. You do not have, you are a high achiever. Most of you guys are very high achievers, but you do not have that air. You have an air of confidence, but not in a negative way though. Means business, very practical, very calculating, serious, asocial, work focus. You are also someone who has, you only work. You tend to work a lot. You tend to work, 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 and work some more. You are that kind of a person who is very work oriented, very work focused, right? Funny, extroverted, smart, goofy, caring. You're also very, you know, these are the things, these are the qualities that people who get to know you a little more get to witness. Other than that, these are not the qualities that on an average people get to witness. Very free spirited, optimistic, loyal, dedicated, emotionally excitable. Yeah, you are a person, you know, a lot of you, you are very, very sapiosexual as well. Very like you are intrigued by deep, deep conversations about books, about movies, things that really intellectually stimulate you. Politics, it could also be baseball or cricket, but saying like something very cerebral, and music for a lot of you. Cancer, Pisces, Aries, Virgo. Pragmatic, red, or unusual. Yeah, something unusual about your hair. Actually, I can't put my fingers on it. A lot of you could be having beautiful eyes, by the way, that catches attention. Sharp nose, nose like a parrot's beak. Cerebral, very poised. A lot of you could be idealistic, but mostly you guys are very practical people, very practical and well poised. You know, you are always dressed for success. You are that kind of a person. Attention to details, you have a lot of attention to the details. A lot of you could be voluptuous, well endowed, Also, what I'm hearing is a lot of you could be athletic but have a more well endowed body. Very like a bigger frame for a lot of you, wider shoulders, even as a female. Very likable person. In general, once people get to know you, they start liking you even more. Yeah, very smart. A lot of you probably love, mystery stories. All right, the astro dies. Okay, so three are astrological signs only are coming up. One is an Aquarius. Yeah, air signs, Aquarius. Okay, Capricorn. Right, right, right. And Leo, forthright, outright, outspoken. All right, another time I'll just. Okay, so the Capricorn came. All right. So a lot of you are mystery story readers for sure. I can do anything. You have a lot of self confidence about you. That is another thing that men notice about you. That's how you're being seen through. You are an achiever. I am safe and surrounded by love and support. Men also notice that you have a good support system. Saying no is an act of self affirmation, too. You are a person who is not a people pleaser. You are somebody who knows where their priorities lie. My sensitivity is beautiful and my feelings and emotions are valid. Exactly. You are a person who knows how to validate their own feelings. My feelings deserves names, recognition and deserves to be felt. You are a person, you do not sell yourself short. You give a name. You If you feel something, you acknowledge your feelings, which means you acknowledge your own self, which means you have a tremendous sense of self and self respect about yourself. You know what you're here to do. You are a person who is very self assured in general. When I forgive myself, I free myself. You do not carry the burden of your past. We all make mistakes in our past, but that doesn't mean we'll have to carry it around. You are a person who genuinely doesn't carry their past mistakes, the wound from their past around with yourself. Asking for help is a sign of self respect and self awareness. You are a person who knows how to ask for help when in difficulty. You know how not to take a lot of burden on yourself, how not to overburden yourself, how to delegate your work. That's the right term. You have a lot of leadership qualities. I belong here. I deserve to take up space. You have, like, men see you as a natural leader. That's what I'm hearing. What doesn't destroy me makes me stronger. You are a very strong person. Like, emotionally a very strong person, the one person rule. Literally, you are one of those people which men feel that this person can rise to the top, corporate ladder climbing type. Peak a smile. Yeah, you have a lot of you have beautiful smile. You tend to make a lot of other people's lives better. That's something that men see. Time to grow. You're very growth focused, growth oriented about your own growth. Good vibes. A lot of you give off very good vibes. Men get very good vibes. Very, high achiever but very approachable. Always remember why you started. You are a person, you have a reason. You always tend to add meaning to your own and other people's lives as well. Be a dreamer in an endless galaxy. Believe. You are a dreamer who believes in their dreams. You believe in your own self. Keep growing. Yes, you are a person who is literally, you're very growth oriented. You have got great taste. I'm seeing a lot of you, the way in which you dress, everything, your choices are usually great. You're known for great outfits, like great everything. Forget the mistake, remember the lesson. Exactly, this is the way you are. You learn from your past mistake, you treat them as a lesson and move on. That is the way you are. No excuse, just get it done. Yeah, you are a doer, you are a go-getter in life. Choose happiness. You know what I'm seeing, there is a balance in your life. You are a doer, you are a go-getter, at the same time you know how to enjoy your life as well. Yeah, a lot of you are very like fitness freaks. Also, what I'm hearing, biking, running, riding could be significant. You also believe in moving ahead and not standing still at one place for your whole life. The tower moment. Get ready, things are about to be shaken up. Literally, you are a person. A lot of you have faced the tower moments. A lot of you have faced, especially I'm seeing for you as an adult, you lost everything. Some of you probably lost it to your business and stuff. From there, you had to rebuild your life. You have rebuilt your life. Right. Two of Swords, wake up. What is that you truly want? Literally, I'm seeing a lot of you literally lost everything. Some of you probably lost your way to some kind of addiction, imposter syndrome, and all such stuff. Then you became very indecisive. Indecision, like you didn't know what to do with your life. A lot of you probably suffered some personal battle which made you very indecisive. Your priorities changed. But Five of Cups, a lot of financial crisis, but spilled tea isn't the end of the world. Literally, men see you as a very gritty person, somebody who has faced it all. You have faced a lot of storms, a lot of hurricanes literally blew over you, but you guys never gave up. The Hermit card, there are some things that must be done on your own. Literally, I'm seeing the Hermit card. You are a person who literally you have created your own identity. You have literally created your own life with your own confidence. That's what I'm hearing. Two of Wands. Your decisions decide your future here, nothing else. You know what I'm seeing? A lot of you guys literally burning your midnight oil, trying to decide. Like today, your life has turned into something where you have got two roads to take, and both are positives. There was a time when you didn't know what to do with your life, to here where you have got two options to choose from. Two great options. Maybe some of you are engineers, but also are a woodcrafter or a musician. So now you're getting awesome offers in music, as well as the fact that you are getting a promotion at your day job. So what to do, what to choose from, but this has come at a lot of cost, and men really acknowledge that. Knight of Cups, romanticize the present moment every chance you get. You tend to romanticize life. You have been through way worse in life. So, literally, you guys are the type who tend to romanticize life anyways. Like, any cost, any chance you get, you tend to romanticize life. Queen of Swords, don't you dare lower your voice for anyone. Literally, I'm seeing a lot of you, you do not believe in dimming your light for others. You do not believe in lowering your voice for others. Five of Wands, a good coven lets every witch have a say. Literally, you are also being seen as a very fair and square person, because there was a time when you felt that life was not being fair with you. So, you are a person today. Now that you have the means, you try to be very fair and square with others, and people like really appreciate you for that. Justice, stick to your truth and everything will turn out just fine. Literally, you are being seen as a very fair and just, and fair and square and just kind of a person. Somebody who is very justice oriented, very just, justice oriented, fairness oriented, very driven, very successful. That kind of a person you are. Ace of Pentacles, wow, what an abundant opportunity. What I'm hearing is you guys have manifested this abundance, but you haven't forgotten where you came from. You are still, a lot of you are at a leadership position today, but you're a very fair and square leader, very approachable leader, but at the same time you have the guts to stand up and speak your truth. You do not give other people, you do not let other people dim their light in order for you to make an impression, make them an impression. You do not you do not let other people dim your own light. There was a time when you would let others walk all over you, but today you do not let others do that. You have come out of that people pleasing zone, and men really appreciate that. Will you or won't you? The choice is yours. You live your life on your own terms. A lot of you could be in a gender fluid relationship. A lot of you, also, what I'm hearing is, I'm seeing a lot of bisexual vibes for some of you gender fluidity, some of you, you have a very open relationship situation, polyamory situations. And what I'm hearing is you are seen as a very liberated person, very this is my life, I'm going to live it on my own terms. It's very open to interpretation. You are a person who has the capability of turning their dreams to reality. You are a person, you are an individual who knows what their priorities are, where their priorities lie, and how to turn their dreams into a reality. The butterfly and snowdrop hope. You are a person, you are extremely hopeful about your future. What I'm hearing is you are somebody who is literally, you are very very hopeful. You are very very positive about your future. Yeah, right. The turtle and the coriander, satisfaction. You are someone, for you, you're very satisfied with your life. You're very your life has been a very fulfilling journey, very dependable, reliable, and fulfilling kind of a journey. Loyalty. Yeah, you are also being seen as a very loyal person, a loyal friend, a loyal partner material. If you commit to somebody, you are absolutely in it, 100%. Productivity. You are a very productive person. You do not waste a single moment of your life, for sure. Leadership. You are a born leader. You are a very natural leader. There are, like the bear and the cedar, there are a lot of natural leadership qualities about you. Take care of your needs. Winter. A lot of you, you have been through that winter phase when everything was cold, everything, life was very difficult, and you have learned the most important lessons of your life through those seasons. And today you thank heavens for showing you those days, because now you have learned how to prioritize your own life, how to prioritize your own self. Today, how to stand up and speak unbound. You have released your past soul patterns. You have forgiven. You have not forgotten what they did, but you have forgiven your, those who did you dirty. You have forgiven them. You have cut those cords, because that has helped you get elevated in life. Dogs. Your loyalty and faithfulness is misplaced by serving too many masters. A lot of you guys, literally, you have been through a lot of, you are a very loyal person, and that has been used. And you know what, so that has made you, now after being used and abused, a lot of you have faced abusive relationship. What has done that to you is you have become way wiser. Today you do not give a lot of preference to other people. You have learned to give your own self a lot more preference. All right, guys, I hope you have got some uh, clarity over your situation. If yes, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment. Thank you. Namaste. Hello, hello, pile 3. Let's see, how are you being seen through the eyes of men. Okay. No self imposed limitations. You are a very self confident person. Hard work, snob, and organized. All right. Libra, balanced person. Okay. These two were not. They were not. Okay. Okay, this thing is coming out continuously. So let me just keep it. No self-imposed limitation. So you have a lot of self-belief and self-confidence. At least that's how men see you as, that this is a person who has a lot of self belief about their own self. Sorry, it's just moved a little. Capricorn could be significant. Okay, Libra, Capricorn, Cancer. I'm also hearing repeatedly Virgo. Very like, a worker bee who knows how to put their head down and do the needful. You are that kind of a person. That's how you're being seen by men, by the way. All right. Logical, responsible. A lot of you could be having a black or brown hair, like a brunette with like blue or green eyes. That kind of a combination I'm hearing. Like there is a contrast, sharp contrast between the color of your hair and color of your eyes. Okay, no, I need to switch on the light. Guys, I hope it's visible. Anyways, a lot of you could be having a round face, pouty lips, authoritative, respectable. Men tend to respect you. A lot of you are seen as someone who is at an authoritative position. All right. Professor, okay, serious type. Capricorn, for sure. Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo, for sure. A lot of you are like Libras, Aquarius, very good teachers, very knowledgeable. A lot of you embody a lot of masculine qualities, critical thinker, realistic, capable, a little cynical, logical, methodical, problem solving type. A lot of you could be pretty tall, slim, competitive, athletic, sharp nose and jawline. A lot of you could be having, sharp, like thicker eyebrows. Your eyebrows could also create a contrast. Pale skin, dark black eyebrows, blue eyes. Wow, what a contrast. A lot of you could be having that. Forehead 11s, you are a thinker. You tend to continuously think and overthink, and like it makes your forehead 11s appear pretty fast. It made your forehead 11s appear very fast, pretty fast, like in your 20s also maybe. Long neck for a lot of you, professional or formal dresser. All right. Tomboyish energy. A lot of you are actually tomboys, very tech savvy, a champion with big dreams and goals, successful, very unique thought process. A lot of you are like, you have grown up. A lot of you could be Sagittarius, Aquarius, dreams and goals, and very good in coding. Being like, you grew up in a boys group, being one amongst them, literally wearing this hoodies and track pants, and rather than dressing up, you probably just prefer to have a very casual look, most of the time very very casual look as well. But you can also be a professional or formal dresser when the need arise. Like this two contrast I'm hearing. Some of you are very casual dressers, some of you tend to dress very sharp. So either or like not very feminine, rather a boss babe vibe, or a very casual yo kind of vibes. Eye for details, yeah, gift of the gab, full of ideas, very quirky. Yeah, a lot of you could be having a very quirky, like maybe coloring your hair a certain way, quirky kind of personal style, entrepreneurial, very misunderstood, because you tend to spend most of your time doing the work that you needed to do rather than doing anything else, just doing what you needed to do, what needed to be done. Sense of responsibility, you guys tend to have a lot of sense of responsibility. You are a very responsible person, very rigid, very conformist. A lot of you are very conformist, but also I'm seeing there is a contrast. Some of you are like extreme conformist, some of you are extremely out of the box thinker, very quirky kind of people. Both I can see, like both sides of the spectrums can be seen in here. Insecure but confident, because this confidence is coming from overwork. This Virgo can really really explain you a lot better. Regal, royal, sense of humor, awesome, very sarcastic sense of humor, dark sense of humor for a lot of you, very dark sense of humor. Okay, very cautious, very practical, very realistic. A lot of you have a lot of moralistic and materialistic situations, very ambitious, extremely determined, You are an ultimate worker bee, very clever and tenacious, very clever, tenacious, very, like, you know what your, like, priorities are, where your priorities lie. 365 days, 365 ways. You are somebody, you are very innovative. You could be owning your own startup. A lot of you are owners of, you probably are like, multiple startups. You have failed, you have sold some of it, you have made money, lost money, but repeated entrepreneur, serial entrepreneur, that is the word. Work hard, dream big, that's your mantra, and men see that about you. Don't die before you're dead. You are being seen as a very courageous, someone who is willing to take a lot of risk. Men see you as a risk taker. Just believe in your dreams. You are a believer in your own dreams. You have a lot of faith in your own abilities. Actually, this woman, I can see you have a lot of faith, and men can see right that. You tend to give off a lot of masculine vibes, one amongst the boys kind of a girl, if you identify as a girl, provided. Don't wait for an opportunity, create one. Literally, for you, you tend to create your own opportunities. You are a person who does not wait for the opportunity to come knock on your door. If it scares you, you need to do it. You are a person who genuinely believes in doing things that scares people. Right. Just be your own unique, beautiful self. You are a very unique person, and men really, I'm seeing a lot of them respect that. A lot of them want to celebrate that about you, like a very unique person with unique personality. Just do not quit. Just do. Don't quit. Discipline. You are being seen as a very disciplinarian, someone who has worked very hard. You maybe most of you haven't faced a lot of tower moment situation or a lot of success, but you have always been, like, you're known for your work ethics. It's grind season. You guys have been grinding continuously, incessantly. Believe in yourself and you will be unstoppable. Literally, you are a firm believer in your own self. Think big. You are a person who has a lot of big, bold ideas, nurturing dreams. You are a person who has literally, what I'm hearing, you are somebody who is a dreamer. You are a dreamer and a doer as well, guiding light. You are somebody, I'm seeing a lot of you could be teachers. A lot of you are very inspiring to the guys around you. Some of you, as a female, you tend to inspire them a lot. All right. You are very, very passionate. As a lover, you are passionate. As a person, as an individual, you live life with a lot of passion, a lot of determination. You do not die before dead. That is something you probably say similar things pretty often. Ladder, climbing towards success. You are a person who is, you are literally climbing your way up to success. You guys are climbing towards that. Secret admirer. You are a person who has been admired by one and all. You have a lot of secret admirer about you for sure. All right, be careful, do not take risks. Literally, you are a person who is a very careful person. Somebody, men see you as a risk taker and they wish that you had taken a little less amount of risks. You have taken a lot of risks actually. This card is telling me that you're not risk averse at all. Toxic witches, and you have failed a lot of times in spite of putting in a lot of effort. So that happens in business, especially in entrepreneurial journeys. That happens. Toxic witches. Be cautious of those who take more than they give. Literally, you are a person who is a great, you're like, you are a very good judge of human character, because you have failed, you have been betrayed, you have faced so much at a young age that you have become a better judge. A patient, you are a very patient person. Learn to go comfortable sitting still whenever necessary. You are a person, yeah, very mature, very, you know patient, mature. Your life has taught you to be very patient. You didn't get your success overnight, and men realize that this is a person. Yeah, you tend to get a lot of nightmare. You know what I'm seeing? Some of you, your business partners or your exes who backstabbed you, took away everything, and you had to restart. That kind of a scenario probably was there. You lost out, you missed out on a lot of opportunities for no fault of yours. That those are the things I'm hearing. Some of you, you tend to repeatedly attract karmic partners. We all get a bit carried away with our worries sometimes. Literally, this is so true. Eight of Swords, stop overthinking it and just do it. You are a person who is, you do not overthink, you are a doer. You are being seen as a worker bee, workaholic, known for their work ethics. You are one of those people. Men literally look up to you. You just work. You do not sit there and cry, creep, complain. You do not sit on your backside for long, in fact. Right, Four of Wands. Family is whatever or whoever makes you feel the most safe and comfortable being you. Literally, what I'm hearing is a lot of you guys. First of all, for you, family tend to make such a huge difference. It's a priority. Some of you, you tend to give shelter to those women and children who couldn't find their own family. They are like they've been abused by their own family, like domestic abuse cases. You tend to support them. A lot of you probably run a shelter for that, and men really respect you. You are very nurturing. Something related to nursery, plants, nature could be significant in your life. Nurture what you have and see how it grows and grows. A lot of you have your own personal baby, and you know, like your own. A lot of you could be a professional, like having a nursery. A lot of you could be having like your own business that through social media. I'm seeing a growth happening, and people are noticing you. You're getting a lot of attention, a lot of limelight is coming your way naturally. Four of Swords. Why aren't you resting? You do not rest. You seldom rest. That is another thing that men notice about you. All right. King of Wands, shine your inner candlelight bright enough for others to follow. Literally, you are somebody, you know, this inner candlelight is that of wisdom. It's a knowledge, wisdom combination. I'm seeing men tend to come to you for life lessons and suggestions because you are somebody who has got a lot of life lessons about them. You are somebody who knows exactly what the priorities are for them. Page of Pentacles. When life gives you lemons, make enchanted lemonade. Men also notice the fact that you are somebody who knows how to turn their adversities. You have actually, a lot of you really had to restart from scratch, and you learned how to turn those negative situations into positive. Like a lot of you probably literally life threw lemons and you made a lemonade and started selling it. Like seriously, you guys, probably some of you, like you have been betrayed, you started getting into meditation, you started doing things which made you feel better, that made you get in a better space, then you started teaching meditation to others. I'm just giving an example. A lot of you are that way, knows how to turn your adversity, and that can become your business. People coming to you now for like becoming a spiritual healer, and that becomes your profession, and you're doing pretty decently. I'm just giving an example. You're shining brightly. You have a, you know, you're like, with you, men literally feel, you let others be their own selves. You are let other experience joy. You have a very joyous presence about you. Right. Six of Wands. You're kind of a big deal, so start acting like it. You are a person, you need to stand out in the crowd no matter what. You are a person who is literally, you don't care what I'm seeing. Like you are a person today, you don't care what others would think, say, and do. You have learned to become your own self, and At last, I'm seeing you guys are getting your dues. You guys are getting that promotion that was due, that visibility. A lot of you are actually on social media or maybe on Shopify, something like your vlogs or blogs. They are taking off at last. They are giving you the visibility that you so deserved. All right, inspiration. A lot of you guys are very inspiring for others. The salamander and black pepper, your presence is very inspiring, very motivating for others. You tend to motivate others for sure. Okay, the cat and lavender, independence. You are a person who is very independent, very self reliant, very dependable. You know, you have been through so much that you feel today that probably self reliance is the best way of doing things. It's better to be self reliant than being let down by others. That is something. You're a very patient soul. You have faced so much failure in life that, you know, for you, patience is the only trick for a lot of you. All right. An ending. The moth and eucalyptus. You are a person, I'm seeing, like you had to end. A lot of you have faced some real bitter ending in your life, very bitter ending. And I'm seeing that has given you a sense of purpose, that has given you a lesson. So you've remembered that lesson and you have forgotten the pain. You have remembered that lesson. You're a very strong person. Men see you as a strong. Elk and the ash, literally you are seen as a very strong, reliable, dependable kind of a person. Yeah, ending and the starting over, strength. Wow, you had to restart over and over again. That is confirmed, and that shows like the kind of wisdom moment men people start talking to you, the kind of wisdom you speak with, that speaks a lot about you. Wolverine can be significant for a lot of you. You are a lot tougher than you think you are. You are a very tough person, very tough, determined, reliable kind of a person. Make plans and focus. You are a person who is also very focused about their lives, about their life choices in general. You're a very planned and focused kind of a person who knows where their priorities lie in general. Have faith. You are also somebody who has a lot of faith in the, you know, you are a very good strategist. You if you have dreamt about it, you know how to put that into action. You know, like you are very good at putting yourself out of the comfort zone. You are a person whom people tend to look up to. Moment you enter the room, people literally look up to you. Get clear on your intentions, stay focused, move quickly to achieve goals. Literally, I'm seeing you are a person who is very goal oriented. Some people might actually call you a little opportunistic, but you know, whenever there is an opportunity, you are like a cheetah. Whenever you see where your goals lie, you are like a cheetah, very goal oriented and focused. All right, guys, I hope you've got some clarity of your situation. If yes, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment. Thank you. Namaste.